The recipe features 4 onions and 2 cloves of garlic, which add remarkable depth to the chicken liver dish. These ingredients significantly enhance both the flavor and aroma of the meal. The cooking process involves frying the liver until it achieves a golden hue, ensuring it is not only well cooked but also flavorful. Mastering proper frying techniques is essential for obtaining the desired texture and taste. This straightforward cooking approach prioritizes quick meal preparation, making it ideal for busy individuals seeking satisfying dinner options. The recipe is specifically designed for simplicity and speed. Moreover, incorporating optional vegetables like red and bell peppers allows for customization of the dish. This adaptability caters to various tastes and dietary preferences. Additionally, the video encourages viewer interaction by inviting them to share their personal experiences and subscribe. This fosters a sense of community centered around cooking and sharing recipes. Finally, the recipe incorporates a variety of ingredients such as mushrooms, onions, and dill, which enhance both flavor and nutrition. These components collectively contribute to the overall taste of the dish.